Okay, bakers, the most profitable time of the year for bakers is upon us. So we have a lot that we need to talk about, like the fact that thermal printers can print in color now. What? The end of the year business meeting is now officially in session. So let's get into today's meeting. We're gonna be talking about getting your home bakery business together so you can actually enjoy this season instead of barely surviving it, or worse, crashing out. So first, if you are a new baker and you're ready to start selling, now is a great time to start tapping into the market and to start building up clientele. And if you're not new and you've already been selling, now is the time for you to start tightening up your business, which leads me to today's first item on the agenda, which is to simplify your systems. With the big holiday rush that is coming, it is so important to have simple and strong systems in place for your business so it can run smoothly and you can consistently deliver quality products to your customers while still keeping your sanity. So this is how you're gonna do this, okay? First off, you wanna make sure that you have a clear marketing plan. What is your plan for how you're going to get orders this season? Where are you gonna be showing up for people to see and know that you have something to offer them this holiday season? The next way you can simplify your systems is to have a clear way to gather and organize your orders. This is especially important for you bakers who are going to be working on hundreds of orders throughout this season. You don't need anything super complicated or fancy. This could look like using a platform like Notion or using the Google Suite or even just using Square to help maintain and organize your orders for the season. Next, you want to go ahead and start planning your weekly system for how you're actually going to complete your orders once they start rolling in. So what are going to be your bake days? What are your prep days? What days are you going to package and deliver your items? Go ahead and create a simple game plan so you're on the same page with yourself and keep your process running and flowing smoothly. Having a weekly system for yourself is going to be so helpful to keep you on track to be able to successfully fulfill your orders. During a time where things are going to be moving so fast with so much on your plate and list to do, keeping it simple is going to be the best move that you can do for your bakery. So go ahead and start making the plans now. You don't need anything big and fancy. Just keep it simple and you're going to be just fine. Next on today's agenda, we need to talk about smart tools that are going to help you save time, like the new 405B thermal printer and 2-color label stickers from Munbyn, the sponsor of today's video. Thermal printers are a great tool for you to invest in for your home bakery business because it makes the process of printing your labels super quick and easy and is super cost efficient for your business as well. Munbyn is literally changing the game for the baking space. We've spoken numerous times about labels, thermal labels specifically, and just how it would be such a game changer if they could actually print in color. And now that Munbyn has released this new technology, I can see this changing everything. So I'm really excited to get into the details and really show you how this works. I was invited to New York by Munbyn to check out their newest thermal printer, the Real Writer 405B, with new dual color labels and speak on their panel. This was such an amazing experience where I got to speak and meet with not only the CEO of Munbyn, but also other small business owners. It was such an experience. The Real Writer 405B is an ink-free printer, which means you don't have to spend money on replacing ink cartridges. You can print smudge-proof labels for literally just a few cents each. The Real Writer 405B comes with an attachable label holder, which I think is such an awesome upgrade, and you can replace the print heads after extensive use, which means you don't have to buy an entirely new printer, which increases its lifespan and will save you some coins. Now, what makes this printer really stand out is that it can print in dual colors, like red and black or blue and black. You just swap the label rolls depending on your color combo, and boom. It's such an easy way to make your label stand out without spending hours designing new ones. Munbyn is really changing the game with this feature. The labels are fade resistant, scratch resistant, and alcohol proof. So even if your packaging gets handled a lot or you're handling cold cake jars and boxes, everything stays looking clean and professional. And for my bakers who love efficiency like me, this printer is fast, like 1 label per second fast. It prints a label every second with 100% alignment thanks to the DAC technology. And it has a jam rate of less than 1/100%. Munbyn really made this printer beginner friendly but expert approved. It comes with an easy setup, a quick start guide, and even 24/7 support. You can connect it to your phone, tablet, or computer. They even have a free design studio built right in their app with thousands of fonts, templates, and icons. So if you want to design your own bakery labels, you can do it directly from the Munbyn app and print them instantly. So if you've been wanting to step up your packaging and streamline your process before the holiday rush, let this be your sign. Munbyn is offering 12% off their printers and labels now through November 10th. So it's the perfect time to grab yours. And if you happen to see this after November 10th, it's still worth grabbing to make your home bakery much more efficient. Another smart tool to help you save time during this busy season is your payment processor. I personally use Square, but getting a system that's going to help you make taking payments and tracking your orders super simple is going to be clutch during this time. Other smart tools that I think will be really great for you to invest in, especially if you plan on pushing out a lot of orders this season, is to start investing in time-saving tools for the baking process. Like, instead of buying a whole extra mixer, invest in multiple mixing bowls so you're able to mix up multiple doughs and batters and buttercreams without having to stop and wash everything in between sessions. And we've talked about this before, but another time-saving tool that I absolutely love in my business is buying multiple paddle attachments. And it's such a low cost way compared to buying a whole new stand mixer that can increase your efficiency in the baking process. So just like with the bowls, you're able to switch out your paddle attachments to mix up different batters so you don't risk any cross-contamination, and to save yourself some time of having to wash your items in between each and every item that you're making. Now, the next tool to help you save time but also put a few coins in your pockets is going to be some form of a pricing tool. Now, you know, of course, I am biased to my cake pricing calculator, and I've actually launched a new price recommendation calculator that actually takes the cost of your product and then gives you different pricing recommendations based off of different pricing strategies. Because the worst thing that can happen during the season is for you to get all of these orders, but then look back and realize that you made no money because you did not have your numbers in order. Now, I'm not saying that you have to use my products, but I am saying that you got to get your numbers together so this can actually be a profitable season for you. While we're talking about getting your numbers in order to make sure that you have a profitable season, let's talk about a few of the new product ideas that I'm seeing out there that you can sell this holiday season to bring in a good profit. So first up, going into the season, you want to have the mind that this is the season for giving. So what you offer and what you sell needs to fit into that bubble and be able to be giftable. This is not saying that everything that you offer has to be giftable, but if there's any time that you're going to go all out, this is the season to do it. People are looking for items, not necessarily for themselves, but mostly they're looking for things that they are able to gift and give to other people. So if you can enter the market with a giftable product, that is really going to set you apart and help you make more sales this season. And to tie on with a giftable product, you also want to consider things that you can make in bulk. This is not a season where people are thinking and focusing on themselves, but they're thinking about all the people around them. So you want to have products that they're able to share with the people in their lives. I think individual items are still a good option if you're going to markets and pop-ups, but you can also tie in the bulk feature by offering bundle pricing deals along with your individual items. So there's one for them and then one to give. So here's some new products that I think will work really well for this. What's trending right now are cookie platters. And I absolutely love this idea, and I'm actually considering doing this for my business as well. Offering a large platter of different variety of cookies. Y'all know I love me a good variety, right? That's why I created my cake flights, okay? But we're taking them up another level and creating platters. Because again, this is the season of giving and sharing. So anyways, cookie platters, where you offer a large assortment of a different variety of cookies for your customers. But if you're not a cookie baker, no worry, because you can still do the same thing with cake slices, cupcakes. Maybe you do a mixture of cookies and cupcakes. Variety platters with different assortments of baked goods are also great during this time. This is also a great time to offer whole cakes. And we just saw the popularity of Nothing Bundt Cake dropping their cookie butter bundt cakes. So let's go ahead and let's ride that wave, which, I mean, if you've been following me, there's like, why haven't you done cookie butter yet, right? Like, why? There's no excuse at this point as to why you have not made anything cookie butter. But if you don't want to take it from me, take it from the retail bakeries that are capitalizing this season on cookie butter. But that's beside the point, okay? Whole cakes are another option that you can start selling this holiday season in your home bakery, which is actually another option that you can do for a platter, a mini bundt platter with different variations and flavors of bundt cakes. Yeah, there are so many different things that you can do this holiday season. Like, this is a time for you to show out in your business. And while we're on the topic of showing out for your business, this is gonna pull me into our last item on the agenda today, which is make sure that you have packaging that sells. Now, y'all know the way that I like to do my packaging is I like to keep it simple and clean so that it can be versatile to be used in multiple different variations for multiple different products within my business to help me save down on waste and money. And the way that I enhance my packaging is through my custom label templates, which I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I got some fire templates for the holiday season. Not to toot my own horn, but beep beep. So I like to go for simple, clean packaging that I can then spruce up with my label templates. But to take it even further this holiday season, now would be a great time to start adding on things like ribbon. You can upsell to holiday cards to go along with your products because, again, remember, it's the time of giving and people are going to be wanting things that are giftable. And these are all things that you can add onto your packaging to make them really stand out this holiday season, but still keep it super cost efficient so your business remains profitable. Now, I don't want to hold y'all long in this meeting because I understand that a lot of us have a lot of baking and planning that we have to do for the upcoming holiday season. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to close out the meeting here. If you have any questions about today's meeting, please feel free to drop them in the comments below on this video, and I will do my very best to get back to you. And if you want more ideas like this and a strategy on how you can actually make this work for your business, consider joining my membership, Business Made Simple, where I break all of this down and, well, make business simple for bakers like you. So we're gonna go ahead and close out today's meeting. Make sure that you check out the sponsor of today's meeting, Munbyn, and snag your revolutionary thermal printer and 2-color thermal labels so you can be the boss baker that you are this holiday season. And if nothing else, you all are dismissed. Until next time, guys, peace.